बेंगलुरु में रीजनल पासपोर्ट ऑफिस ने 5 साला अविन ट्रांसजेंडर कारकुन अकाई पद्मशाली के बेटे को पासपोर्ट जारी किया है, जिसमें वालिद का नाम शामिल नहीं है। ये पहला मौका है जबकि एक पासपोर्ट में सिर्फ ट्रांसजेंडर खातून का नाम बतौर वालिदा दर्ज किया गया है। अकाई, जो ट्रांसजेंडर हुकूक की एक नुमाया वकील हैं, इन्होंने हाल ही में अपने सिसजेंडर शौहर वासुदेव वी से तलाक ले लिया था और इन्हें अपने गोद लिए हुए बेटे अविन की वाहिद तौहील दी गई है। इस अहम लम्हे के बारे में बात करते हुए अकाई ने हुकूमत का शुक्रिया अदा किया कि इसने तलाकशुदा वाहिद ट्रांसजेंडर माँ के मुनफरिद चैलेंजेस को तस्लीम किया है। इन्होंने कहा, ये एक अहम कदम है। ये एक ट्रांस खातून के बच्चे की परवरिश के दौरान दरपेश मुश्किलात को तस्लीम करता है। ये फैसला न सिर्फ ट्रांसजेंडर हुकूक के लिए एक कामयाबी है, बल्कि दीगर वाहिद ट्रांसजेंडर वालिदैन के लिए भी कानूनी तस्लीम और दस्तावेजात के हुसूल में एक नया नज़ीर कायम करता है।
I'm so happy that my adopted child, Avin Akai Padmashali, has received passport mentioning mother's name, and that's me as Akai Padmashali, and not mentioning father's name. And you all know, as a community, be it from the background of sex workers, from the background of Devadasis, background of transgender communities concerned, we as a community are going through so much of social stigma concern, number one. Second thing, when we also have that own desire and dream of our own family, of an institutional family, that we want to be part of the largest democracy's family institution, to protect our tradition, to protect our culture. I think we also be part of this sailing in the ship of family. Today, Avin has come, as a Akai, who was born male, transformed to a female, identified as a female, married as a female, and got registered and divorced in the Honorable Court. And I think the whole entire judgment has spoken about the custody of the child shall live with the women, especially the mother. I think this has really boosted, and how sensitivity that we are now in 21st century. I think this has really boosted a lot. That's number one. The second part is also about when we applied for passport, extreme officers were very supportive, addressing the concerns that what we were bringing before the passport office. But some of the officers were very much reluctant and very much transphobic, and asking very deep questions which was not relevant to be part of the passport issuing process. This is the second thing. But what we are really urge these insensitive officers who are really transphobic mindset, asking your depth of, we will mentioning the original so-called men, original father, original, and the adopted father details, etc. And how does that relevant actually? Okay, I think this is something called, you cannot decide for our identities, you cannot decide for our sexualities, and you cannot decide for our children or families. When the Honorable Supreme Court of 2014, 2018, 2023 has delivered judgment in favor of sexual minorities, and what is the business? So how does we implement these laws? I think now there is also the Cabinet Secretary under the Government of India, which has been constituted by the Supreme Court of the Constitution Bench.